How to check the best economic class seats using SeatGuru. Hello guys, welcome to another tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll show you how you can check the best economic class seats using SeatGuru. And one thing you must notice is that on SeatGuru, the kind of seats you get is not dependent on the kind of class that you are in. All right, you could be in economy, you could be in business, you could be in first class. The seats for your flights, like the seat map for the flight that you booked exactly, will be the one displayed. Okay, so you don't have any issue at all. So once you're on the SeatGuru website, scroll down to the section where you see seat maps and then shop flight. So ensure you click on seat maps. After clicking on seat maps, you'll be taken to the page where you'll be asked to enter in some information such as airline, dates, and then flight number. All right, flight number is the one that is here. So enter in specific airline where you booked your flight, and then enter in the date that is on your flight's details, and then enter in your flight number here. So by entering your flight number, click on the find option, and then you'll be taken to the page where SeatGuru will display your seat map. Okay, this group will display the seat map for your flight. It could be economic, like I said, it could be premium economy, it could be business, it could be first class, but seat guru will display it. So the seats are color coded to indicate their quality. The green are the best with extra leg room. This yellow is the average, while the red while the seats that are coded red are the seats that you should avoid due to significant issues like no window, like limited legroom, or be like being the galley. All right, and then just move your cursor around the seats that you want and then select the specific one that you want. So this is how you can find best economic class seats on SeatGuru. Thank you for watching and have a safe trip.